Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for you. A company reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do a review on one of their products. It is a company called Babala Bags, and I will put their website right down here, and I'll keep it on the screen for a while so you'll see it. They do high-end replica designer products, mainly handbags, but their website also has some clothing, not a lot. They have like wallets, they have scarves, jewelry, watches, shoes, all kinds of things, but mainly high-end purses. I know this is a kind of a touchy subject with some people, but I feel okay showing you this. If this is not your thing, if you're against high-end replicas, then or designer dupes, as some people call them, then you're more than welcome just to click off, and appreciate it anyway, you stopping by. But if you're interested like I was, then just keep watching. I'm going to unbox this with you. I have not looked at it yet. So let's start with that, and then we'll get into everything else. So like I said, the name of the company is Babala Bags, babalabag.co. And it comes in just a cardboard box, and I already just slit the top open, and that's what I see. I got the my dream bag, the handbag I have wanted. I have looked for used ones, and I can't find them, not the one I want. And then this is what the box looks like. The box has a little bit of wear, and it's not completely perfect, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. That's the box. The bag I wanted, it has, let me show you. You should be showing you here. It has a magnetic closure. You open it up, okay, and this is what's on the inside. So the tissue paper says Chanel. Okay, and that's just kind of laid around. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna show you all aspects. This is what I saw when I opened it up. Now inside the bag, we have a card. It's a card that feels like a loyalty card, or even a credit card, a hard plastic. There we go. There's that. There is a little envelope here. I guess this is replicating what you would get with if you purchase the actual bag. That says Chanel, and I think it's the story of it is a woman, a name, a legend. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that right now. And then there is this card, and it is, oh, okay, open it up. It's in French. Oh, it's in French. And look, that is kind of neat. I dropped the envelope. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. So that's in the box, along with some ribbon that says Chanel. If you wanted to gift this, you could wrap the box in the ribbon. And it has the flower that you put on the ribbon. Nice. Okay, we'll put all this back in here. I'll go through that later. I'll put that back here. So here's what I'm looking at right here. So let's get this open. If I'm a little shaky, I'm sorry. I've not felt well this week, and I'm still not 100%, but I really want to get this video done. Okay, I don't think I'm going to keep that portion. So here we are, and it's got a dust bag. Really nice dust cover, or dust bag. All right, here we go. I'm going to lay it back here. And it is completely covered. I'll start with I'll take this off. And then the chains, let me see if I can get these off. Let's see, where can I? Okay, I got all that off. I'm gonna trash all that. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. This is the classic Chanel purse. I'm gonna take, I think I might keep this portion. This is nice to keep your bag. I'm still taking, well, still taking it off, so I might hang on to that to store my bag. And then there's another, I'll hang on to it until I make up my mind. Oh, I've got some plastic still here. Let's see, where's my scissors? Okay, the hardware has got protective plastic on it. There, let's see. This specific purse does not have feet, and it doesn't come that way when you purchase the authentic one. Oh, okay, we open it up and there is, it smells so good. There is that is not it's a fake. There's no anything there. But you can put your hand back here and then you lift the flap up. It's burgundy with the 2 C's for Chanel. It says Chanel France right there. Stuffing. It's just stuffing. There is, I hope you can see, there's pockets back here. Let me see. I'm at my makeup table. I don't want to put anything dirty in here. Just put clean items. Let's put, just to show you these pockets, I will put these makeup brushes in here so you can see it easier. See, there's those 3 pockets. Small pocket in the middle, and then 2 bigger pockets on the side there. And then, oh, there's more goodies. Wow. And then there's a front pocket here. There is another, this is all in French. I'm not gonna, let me show you. I'm not going to look at that. And there we go. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Babla bags, because this is absolutely gorgeous. The hardware right here says Chanel on it. Oh, this has got plastic on it up here. Peel that off. That says Chanel. Oh, there's a pocket back here. This is, I'm going to pull it up real quick and tell you what Babla calls it. This is the small classic handbag, lambskin, gold medal, black. The actual Chanel bags, the classic, this is the classic flap, and this is the small one. The actual Chanel bag itself comes in different finishes, and it comes in lambskin No, this is lambskin. It comes in calfskin. I took a photo of the actual bag on Chanel's website, and I'll insert it. It's currently selling for $11,300. But yeah, you can purchase this bag from babalabag.co for $298 right now. This is June of 2026 when I'm filming. So this is gorgeous. I can smell the leather. I can smell it. It smells like leather. It looks like leather. It feels like leather. It's gotta be. This is absolutely gorgeous. I don't see a flaw. Now, like I said, I do not own this bag. This is the bag I have always wanted. Oh, I got more plastic. All the hardware seems to be very well protected in plastic. Oh yeah, pulled the plastic off of that. So you can close this flap. There we go. And then this one turns. I am so excited to get this handbag. I did some research on not on Babalabag, but on why people purchase replica bags. Now, there's a lot of replicas out there that are very inexpensive, made with cheap materials. Babalabag uses the best materials. A lot of the time, the same material as the designer. Now, like I said, this bag is sold in calfskin, and Babalabag makes it in lambskin. But it is leather. It is leather. The hardware is gorgeous. You can buy all the different finishes of hardware as well. Their website has, I want to say, thousands of handbags, hundreds of handbags for sure. They have, I don't know how many designers. You think of a designer and they have the handbags on there. I spent, I bet, an hour just going through the Louis Vuitton section. They have all the different styles with all the different finishes, all the different prints, all the different sizes. The classic here comes in large, medium, small, and mini. Then I got the small. Babalabag offered me a certain dollar amount, and I could pick a bag up to that dollar amount. So otherwise I probably would have got the large in this, but that's okay. This is perfect. I think it'll work just fine. Oh yeah, it's perfect. I love this. I love this bag. This is just amazing. I can't get over how good it smells. I love the smell of leather. That smells really good. Like I said, be careful if you want to purchase. Make sure you go to babalabag.co. Please do not Google Babalabags, and you'll find these other websites that are scams, and I don't want you to be scammed. I do have a discount code. I'll put it right here. I'll link it down below in my description, and that will save you some money on a bag. I think it's 5% you get off of your bag. Or anything. The discount code is good for anything on their website. They are based overseas. I will tell you that. Because of how tariffs are, the country is right now. I won't get into that. But anyway, they will absorb the cost of the tariff for you. So don't expect to buy a bag and then get hit with a bill for a high tariff, because they will cover that for you. So you do not have to worry about tariffs from ordering. I have not been ordering anything overseas from anywhere overseas because of tariffs. So that's good to know. They will take care of tariffs. They accept all forms of payment, all the credit cards. You can do wire transfer. You can do a bank transfer. But they'll take credit cards. You can use your credit cards, and I have been researching them. They seem extremely reputable. I've seen lots and lots of people review handbags for them, going back a couple of years. So I feel very, very good to know that all these people are having the same outcome I am. They are loving the bags, and some have received several bags from Babalove Bag. So I feel good about it. I really do. If you have a problem buying a what they call super replica or super dupe, then you know, this is not for you. That's fine. But if you do like the look of these designer bags, but you know you don't have the bank account for them, I feel good about this company. I really do. So thank you all for watching. I really hope some of you at least will go over and just spend some time playing around on that website. I've already picked out several things I think I'm going to purchase myself. So yeah, guys, again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have really enjoyed making this for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll answer what I can. I am not affiliated with this company, so I can't answer any company related things. I know maybe just a tiny bit more than what you might know, but I'll try to help any way I can. So any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Again, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.